Okay, I'm going with a simple one today. Just making iced tea. And it's a handy one for the RV life because it takes tea bags and water and it's sun tea. Because Milo's sweet tea's like $4, $5 a gallon now. And you can get the box of tea bags. You get 100 tea bags for $2, $3. And I put 10 tea bags into it says it's a gallon cookie jar, but it don't quite fill up a gallon. So just literally take the bag out like you're making tea, but hold on to that staple right there and just yank that string out. And you got just the stapled tea bag. Just do that 10 times. So I've been making sun tea off and on for most of my life, but I never had like a system until I got to that campground in Utah, and it's 40 miles to the store, plus the price of tea went up. And then I've been trying to cut down on sugar intake because sugar's a drug that's bad for you and you don't need it in every single thing. And the tea is just enough flavor to get you not bored on just drinking straight water all the time. And I drink about a half a pot of coffee a day, so I make my coffee every other day and just keep it in the thermos. And then the other thing is all these little tea bag wrappers with the strings, those go into my tinder box for my campfires. So I put those in the charcoal chimney with the tinder and the bigger sticks and stuff. The tinder and the kindling. That's the word. So then I come over in here to the Berkey. And just fill it up. And this is the travel Berkey. It's like 2 gallons or something like that. Like one of I think it's 2 gallons. I forget. And then I got an old water filter pitcher that Walmart stopped selling the filters for them, but the pitcher is still usable. So I took and measured all of my things that I use for water. You know, my drinking cup and the coffee pot and an espresso machine and my different sizes of cups. I just put it in the pitcher, made a magic marker line where the water line was, because with these Berkeys you want to keep them full all the time. Yeah, so I guess it's closer to a gallon than 2. So as soon as you're done taking water out, you put the correct amount of water in, and you've always got filtered water. So yeah, I must have missed filling a cup or something. So it's just a just a pitcher with the lines on it. So now that the Berkey is empty, I just fill the top canister. You just stop when you get to whatever you were filling. And you want to get the filters wet. So like if you're not filling the whole thing, you just splash some water on the filters while you're filling it to keep it hydrated and filling correctly. I'm told the water is sudsy because the water is soft. Whatever that has to do with the water getting sudsy. And then any extra that's in the pitcher just waits for the next fill. That's close enough, because it'll go up to there and you want the top covered every once in a while, but so that's all there is to that. And then dish rack. Sorry about the garbage. That's the tea bags from yesterday's. I finished it, and it's already starting to steep some. And then you just you're kind of in a shady spot, so you just gotta find a spot with some sun. And here I just gotta hope kids and dogs don't knock it over. It's kind of shady in these trees here. I'll just... There's a sunbeam. One sunbeam going through the trees. So, oh yeah, that'll be a different clip. But I moved campgrounds because this one's 2 miles from the beet piling site instead of 22 miles plus. So, yeah, that's it. And then after a few hours, that's drinkable tea. And there's no sugar in it, but you just pick whatever tea you like. You can do black or green or chamomile or whatever. Sometimes I'll throw in, like if I'm doing a medicinal version, like I'm not feeling great, I'll put in the chamomile and the, like some flavored tea or something. And yeah, it's just making tea, but that's the system. And that's about as streamlined as I've figured out how to make it. So maybe that'll help some of you out. So cooking like a dude, sun tea edition. Have a good one, y'all.